So we're starting the future of digital engineering for the Army today. We are picking up two Black Hawk UH-60 helicopters. We're going to take them back to our facility and do some digital twin work, which will take maintaining these aircraft from 1950s, 60s technology all the way to present day. Partnership with the Army and the partnership with Sikorsky on this program is absolutely crucial to our success. What we're going to do is we're going to take this helicopter apart piece by piece. We're going to clean all the pieces up. We're going to scan them and reverse engineer them and then essentially digitally reassemble them. And it's going to revolutionize sustainment for keeping these helicopters flying.